Hey everybody, thank you. I'm so glad that you have found my channel, and I am so excited for you to be here. And why should you watch my channel? Well, my channel has been a lot of fun as far as cooking ideas, learning how to cook, motivational skills, also a lot of everyday tips and ideas. This is my lifestyle channel, and I am so excited. You just never know what I'm going to be doing. So if you like the person, or you think you might like that person, be sure to subscribe and never miss one of my videos. Click the little bell above and you will always get a notification talking about what I'm doing, what videos I'm doing, where I'm doing them. And I'm so excited to have you as a subscriber if you decide to do so. This channel has been going on for a little while, and I have loved to cook. So I spend a lot of time in my kitchen, but I want to expand and just show the world that, you know, this is going to be more of a lifestyle versus just cooking. So I'm really excited. I believe it would benefit each and every person that is looking for more ideas to cook, or just fun ideas in everyday life with work and business and our lifestyle and our kids and budgets and whatever else we have going on in our world. So be sure to click the button below, hit the subscribe button, and I can't wait for you guys to watch some of my videos. And if you've got some ideas, put them in the comments. Yay! Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye for now.